Hello, today I'm going to show you how simple it is to do auto caption or how to add animated subtitles to your video. So let's begin. First thing you want to do, you want to go to templates, select video. Let's use 9 by 16, create blank. After that, you want to upload the video. So you press uploads, upload the file, select the video. After the video finish uploading, you just drag it here so it's full screen. Delete this part. After that, you go to apps, type in subtitle, select animated subtitles, press open, press start, press export. After done exporting, just select the animation you want to use it. So let's see. Let's use the sample. We can select event font. Let's choose Anton, medium standard. We can select small, large, or extra large, and you can choose position, maybe top, made in the middle, and font color. Let's choose something like this and press generate. And after that, you just check everything if it's okay and press generate video with subtitles. After it finish, you press add to design. You set video as background. After it downloading, you have the video as you can see. You press share, you press download, and you download it straight to your computer. So I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and see you next time.